Why is this sound kinda bad, huh? Hey, why is this sound kinda bad, huh? Let me hear how I, like, is the microphone good now? Why is this sound kinda bad, huh? Let me hear how I, like, is the microphone good now? Why is this sound kinda bad? Should be good, it should be good, it should be good, everything is good, okay? I can't be necessarily loud now, unfortunately, because it's it's 6:14 on my house and everyone is asleep, right? So I can't be yelling necessarily, even though I want to. Like, now I want to scream, baby. But we can't scream, unfortunately. But what we can do is analyze, have fun and everything. By the way, I have some screens open here. As you can see, this is the reason why I'm live today. As I want to see how Australian news is going to change the market, right? So I'm going to wait for this. We're going to wait for that. And after that, we're going to end the stream. So the stream is going to be like hour and a half or something like that. We're gonna do the day trading and everything. I don't know which coin I'm gonna do. I didn't plan that out, but we're gonna see. As you can see, Sui kind of looks bad. You can see how it moves. We're gonna analyze everything, don't worry. But first, we're gonna see Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin on daily kind of looks bad. I mean, this can be better, right? We can say this move is happening here, right? Some symmetrical triangle maybe, but let me make the music here. This kind of music should be fine, right? Yeah, I think I'm kind of fucking with this. What? Love the music though. Music is kind of surviving this shit. Let me check if everything is alright. Let me check if everything is alright. Okay, I gotta like myself. Of course. We gotta farm those likes. We're gonna farm those likes. Huge. Okay. W move here. Okay, so if we are right by this symmetrical triangle, as I said, it's gonna follow up the last upside, right? So this should be the bottom. Right, if we are right, and if my analysis and my seeing of the market, this means that we reached the bottom today. This should be the bottom around this area now. Again, it can go to 107,500 again, but we're gonna see. I want to trade Bonk for some reason. I mean, Su and Bonk. We're gonna try that too. As you can see, we use Chrome too, as I have Bonk there. You can see how I did some live trading on paper trading. I want to test out Bonk because Bonk kind of seems interesting to me for some reason. I think it has really great volatility, so why not use it, right? So why not use it for trading? This looks like it's kind of creating a bull flag here, in my opinion, and this is definitely not bottom for Bonk. I think Bonk might do this, something like this. That could do something like that. Wait, can I somehow undo something, but without this blue thing popping out? Popping out? What? I don't know what I said here. Music is alright? Yeah, great. We can even put it high a little bit. Something like this should work. Yeah, great. I don't know how I sound like voice of mine because I need to be kind of quiet. I hope I won't wake up anybody because it's gonna be it's gonna be amazing. Here's how Bitcoin looks like at 4. On 4 looks like we might go this price jack and then die out. But with Bonk I don't see shit here. I mean, Bonk looks like it's gonna go. Check out this price action here, but it depends on how the market checks out for it. So I might handle short on Bonk, to be honest. Doesn't look that bad. Let me see Bonk here. Bonk. And the reason why I love Bonk is 0 fees, motherfucker. We live for that. Okay, chill out, Maxi. I mean, 1 hour looks good. See? This looks really good. Bonk looks really good. And I don't know what should happen with this cash rate, to be honest. Should this invoice rise or fall? It's good for currency. So this should, right? This should pump, I don't know. We're gonna see if we're gonna pump or not, but my guess is that we're gonna pump, fall a little bit. Always happens like that. You can see how the market looks like. It looks great. For bonk. If we go and reach all the levels here, we can go even with Fibonacci here from the bottom to the top side. You can see how Fibonacci closes this thing. We have these big areas. We have huge support for bonk. That's why maybe entering short is not the best idea. But again, if we look at the most important levels, you can see how we have this. And again, if we go to liquidity for Bitcoin, we need to refresh this. We're gonna refresh this and see the liquidity here. We're gonna zoom in as much as we can, and you can see how liquidity looks like. At current state affair, you can see that most of the liquidity is downside. I mean, look at this liquidity here, 300 million. That's crazy. That's kind of crazy. This kind of liquidity is kind of crazy. This liquidity is gonna be rich, in my opinion. Like, no way that those whales and those exchanges won't take this chance to get these liquidations. Like, I don't see it not happening. I don't see it not happening. This needs to happen. And again, if you look at the upside, not much liquidations there, right? I mean, there is liquidations, but nothing huge. The farthest away is like 109k. That's like really far away, right? I mean, there's liquidations on upside too, but this is so close that I think it's gonna be rich. It's gonna be like, you know what kind of candle is gonna happen here? It's gonna be like kind of like this, right? It opens shadow and shadow like this, just to collect those liquidations. Like, it needs to happen. Just, I don't know, we're gonna see. I mean, again, you can see how Bitcoin looks like, and that liquidations are, let me check it again, is 107,400, and that's, by the way, I mean, could happen. We could see shadow reaching out to this price, checking out the liquidations just for fun. I don't know, we're gonna see. It's gonna be fun, that's for sure. I mean, there's huge liquidations. We're gonna probably reach those liquidations, in my opinion. So we're gonna probably see candlestick and shadow around this area and then reversal, in my opinion. That's what I see. Again, I could be wrong, but I hope I won't though. Because if we do go below that, if we do go below this 200 domain, it's gonna hurt for us. It's not gonna be the greatest feeling ever. That's for sure. And now if I look at the bonk, I think this is a short potential here, right? Or am I delusional here? Am I delusional? I think this is a short position. On 15 minutes. It just looks like that. Because we do have these two tops, rich already. I think this is gonna just be a little bit upside. Test out this 200 domain. Let's see how much money we can get this. If we put stop loss a little bit below, above this. 3, 5, 7. Why can't I trade this? I don't understand this. I wish. It can be. Oh, okay, so I needed to have a lot of money for that. Okay. Great. So can I not trade that? Can trade this other one then. I think it doesn't matter, right? Yeah, I mean I don't have USDC, so fuck me in the ass, brother. Okay, so we can trade one. Great. Good to know. Give me Sweden. We leave for Sweden. Now for Sweden it's kind of bad. Wait. Oh my god. Do I see something here? Or do I see head and shoulder move here? Kinda giving those vibes though. Let's say we enter short here. I don't know where should I start this trade. What should be my target for Sweden? Let me check it. USDT. MXC. I need to analyze this Sui so we can enter. We need to get some good position here. Oh, this is definitely dumping, huh? Or I'm Delulu. Maybe I'm Delulu just. But this looks like a bottom to me though.
Play the music the moment is calling for. Whether it's turning
but we could go.
Winding down
What
to relax
the
in the
fuck
evening.
I did here?
Curate the day's soundtrack with ad-free
I'm
music
sorry,
listening
what
and offline downloads on
is
Spotify Premium.
happening?
Tap the banner to learn more.
And what's this? What's this? Okay, my bad. I plan to do that. Give me Sui here. Why is this not working? Did I forget something? Why is this? Wait. I'm on drugs? I don't understand this. Okay, my bad. This should be good. Okay. Okay, I'm definitely on drugs. Don't mind me. I didn't sleep good. I didn't sleep good. I mean, if I look at this, if I would do the trade here, I would do something like this. Like a little bit above this. This should be the trade if we do the trade now. But again, this is a big downside, even for Sui. I don't think this is gonna happen. This means Bitcoin is gonna dump hard too. I mean, Bitcoin could dump to 200 though, but I don't think so. I think this is the bottom, to be honest. Because it's kind of retesting again, second time. So let's say if we enter long, we gotta be careful because it's gonna be definitely some liquidations dump. Like I see it, it needs to be. Like it's gonna definitely go a little bit to downside, just to get out the stop losses and everything, get some liquidations. So I guess the best thing to do now is maybe wait it out a little bit. But let me check some smaller time frames though. Yeah, like my guess is that we enter here. This should be the entry maybe, huh? So that means I can easily go short a little bit, right? It's not gonna ruin anything. But 3 hours has this 200 main though. That's huge. Again, if you look at the daily is kind of 221 is still there. Where is? Okay. Weekly looks bad for sure. I mean, currently looks like we might get that evening star pattern here. Interesting. It's kind of like what the fuck, right? Again, if you look at 15 minutes, this might create a morning star pattern here. Boom. We're gonna see if this is gonna test out this again. It's gonna break out, potentially just test this, and then we can enter here. But that's again if it creates some morning star pattern here. I think the best thing to do now is just wait it out, especially because we have 2 minutes for this happening now. Forex factory, whatever whatever this cash rate of Australia is. We're gonna see how that is gonna affect the market now. It could affect positively, but it's gonna probably just bring volatility in the market. So I can even take a bet a little bit. Take some small long. Watch this. I'm gonna take some small long position. It's gonna be a little bit risky because I'm gonna literally exit here. I'm gonna literally exit on the blue dot here. So 548. So we're gonna get dollar here, 12%. I think that's a huge trade. Like I'm not even playing around anymore. 12% is huge. We get it. And again, the reason why I enter here is because of this. And again, 50 minutes looks bullish. It looks like it's gonna test this zone. It's kind of creating a bull flag here. I mean, it's kind of creating bear flag, to be honest. Yeah, bear flag here. But it's gonna test out bear flag again. Once we get there, I'm gonna enter short. I think that's the move I should make. We're gonna see how this is gonna play out though. I hope we're gonna win this because I don't know. We're gonna see. It's gonna be fun, definitely. I could enter short from that position there. We got 630. Let's see what's the news. Panning, still nothing. I hope it's not gonna make it down though. It's gonna be then wasted opportunity here, definitely. But I think it's gonna pump the situation here. Let me check the beta now. Now Philadelphia is kind of crazy. Okay, it's going up. I mean that's previous. So it's not nothing changed. What happened with RBA rate statement? Wait, so 15 minutes just closed now? We have new 15-minute candlestick, which is gonna reach this 100%. It needs to reach this. I mean, I can see it. I don't know what else can happen, to be honest. I mean, I know, but I hope it won't happen, though. I hope it won't happen. Ethereum is becoming macro asset now. Wait, there is nothing new here. I kind of... This candlestick plays out, is gonna be crazy now. Could go even to 8666. Wait, what's that? 86. This previous high. It's gonna be huge if that happens here too. And by the way, these kind of trades works, but just like with high ass fucking leverage, okay? Now what can I do? Wait. 2, 8. I won't lose. I won't lose. Huge. Now I can put this to fly a little bit. And go a little bit risky trades here. Because I have good stop loss in my opinion. So now I can even play with take a profit and everything. So if it goes up, we're gonna take the profit, and if it doesn't, we're gonna get stopped. Maybe we're gonna lose some, take profit, but hey, we're not risking anything here, which is that's the W move here. Because again, considering that I'm playing with small amounts of money, I'm not like trading with 100 bucks, 200 bucks, 300 bucks, 500 bucks. So I'm trading with 8 bucks in current state. So like we gotta risk a little bit. We gotta take chances, and we gotta be with high leverage. Like I can't go. I mean, I tried trading with like 3x leverage, even with this small amount of money, and it works. But you need to have like account with like, let's say, Even 1000 works. It's not, again, it's not the best, but you could earn per trade, you can earn like 30 bucks if you look smart. So like, yeah, 1000 works. But again, you can lose a lot. You can but if you have good strategy, if you're a good trader, you can make a lot of money. Now, do I have 1000? I do, but like, I don't want to put it yet. Like, I don't have that much of confidence in my opinion for me to like, hey, I'm 100% confident that I can put 100,000 and be ready to lose it, because once you do this, once you start doing this kind of stuff, futures, you gotta understand that once you put some money in it, be ready to lose it, because that's how it works, right? You know, you can be the best trader, but you can still lose and get liquidated. You can still lose all that money and don't win anything. So yeah, it's kind of working like that. I think this is the bottom, to be honest. You can see how Bitcoin is retracing, and potentially could. This news was bullish a little bit. We're gonna see what this press conference is gonna provoke though. 8 times per year the press conference has 2 parts. First prepared statement. Okay, so this next release, okay. You can even look at the history, we can see what happened. I don't give a fuck. I just use this as an excuse to do it early, I think. Yeah, but like, I think we might see Bitcoin move to upside now. I don't know how big this grand candle of wars is gonna be though, but you can see how it's building momentum a little bit. But that's the problem now with 1 hour. You can see how it works. You can see how it bridged this bottom on 1. Now it's gonna test 200 domain really soon on 108k. Then it's gonna probably reverse back. Okay, I'm not even joking anymore. You can see 30 minutes 21 too, really close. That's why we potentially gonna even maybe take profits out here, but we're gonna see that. But again, Bitcoin could flow just to upside too. Oh my god, it's hot as fuck in my room. Oh, this is crazy. Wait. Take my shirt off. By the way, I'm gonna be live like for again hour and a half, let's say, maybe a little bit less, and then after that I'll just clean room, I guess. And I don't think that I'm gonna publish anything more today. Tomorrow you're gonna probably expect this live, just like cutting out more interesting parts, let's say. So me literally telling you how I see the market, probably. Because I don't know, maybe I'm gonna publish something different, but considering that I won't have much time tomorrow, neither today, so it's gonna be fun though. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. You see how this trade is looking like. And to be honest, like in my opinion, win is everything above 3% in my opinion, especially if you're doing like big trades. Considering that I'm doing 0 fees too. Like maxi 0 fees is the best thing ever. Like trust me, it's the best thing ever. And now, if I'm doing with the big money, I would exit here because it's testing this 30 moving average. You can see how Bitcoin is around that area on 30 minutes. It's coming there to one hour. So this is a decent exit. You have 9-10% profit. That's enough for whole day in my opinion, especially if you're doing with big trades and everything. And again, I think that SUI is great for trading, and I think that big leverage things is great too, because you need to just enter so good. Like my entry was really good, but we're gonna see of course how this is gonna play out. I still have good stop loss, so it doesn't matter even if this just plumber. I won't be in loss. I'll be still up 2%, which is great in my opinion. And the reason why I'm speaking everything in percentages is because my opinion, I think that I need to put my mindset right in the right place to think about percentages and not the money. Because once you start doing large monies, you're gonna be like, oh damn, like I can't lose 2,000, right? But if it's that in 2-3%, you can, bro. Like, what the fuck? So yeah, I want to shift my mindset from the money to actually percentages and just think about that. Large scale. Okay, that voice crack was crazy. Okay, that voice crack was crazy. Yeah, you can see how it's 21 and 200 coming close. So if we do see something like this, it could result in a huge pump. You can see how that happened around that area. 17. Huge pump or huge downside. Now it's gonna probably do something like this, and it's gonna either do or it's gonna. But considering my thing of the market, it's gonna probably go upside. Considering we reached the bottom of the day again, you can see the bottom of that was for July. It was similar bottom. Now again, I reached that bottom, and it's gonna go a little bit upside. Now I don't know if it's gonna test 200 domain. Maybe it's gonna go even higher. But if you go with Fibonacci, you can see how Fibonacci levels look like. You can see that around that area I said around 108k is Fibonacci zone too. And you can see how Fibonacci stacks up here. You can trade according to Fibonacci too. I think that's a good thing to use, especially if you're doing something like I'm doing. So like if you're doing like high leverage things and your whole trade literally depends on how good you enter, then Fibonacci is really good for trading, because with that you can see when the bottom is reached, and you can see when resistance is there too. So I think it's a really good idea to use Fibonacci. And I mean, I didn't use it in this case, but it was clear it's the bottom. As you can see, even Fibonacci is kind of fighting here, you can see. But I think Sui is gonna win this war though. But again, this looks like a bear flag to me, so it might just go test to 60 moving average, and then it's just gonna collide. That's why I would probably enter short, but again, it's risky, considering again the yesterday was a really bad day for crypto, considering it was Monday, fake moves and everything. I said it yesterday on the video. So like, I don't know if it's good idea to enter short today. Like, I'm not sure exactly how that's gonna play out, to be honest. So like, I think it's better just to lay it off. Just believe the market, right? And by the way, this is the first live we did on this channel. It's crazy. And it's really similar thumbnails too, when you look at it. The video and the live. It's crazy. It's kind of crazy, to be honest. And like, again, as I said, I don't know what's gonna happen on Wednesday. I don't know if I'm gonna publish anything on Wednesday either. But if I don't worry. Like, Thursday is gonna be something, definitely. And Friday is gonna be some meme coin kind of shit going on, probably. Because I'm gonna find some coins. We're gonna talk about some projects and whatever. And we're gonna see how everything is happening. You can see that this day so far is red. But this is like, I don't know if this is like from 12 today. I don't know. I'm not sure though. You can see how it looks. Bonk. That's how I discover bonk. It's always in crypto bubbles. Always there, bro. High volatility. Love that. X is there. You see how Bitcoin looks like. Still has huge leverages here. Liquidations, I mean. I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna pump the price downside just for like those liquidations. In my opinion, it should happen. That's why I would enter short here. And I wouldn't be like, damn. Right. Even though there is no much signs. I mean, there is. Honestly, we see this, boom, and then I see the downside move to this. I would be like, oh damn. I'd be like, okay. Kinda expected it, right? So it's not gonna be that bad. But we're gonna see it. Again, I'm not gonna lose anything as I'm in this trade, and even if this just continues to go up, I'm gonna just my unrealized PNL will just go up with it, right? Because I have good stop loss. There is no need for me to exit this trade. I'm not risking anything here, so like I think this is a really good trade. And really good entry. I mean, that's why this trade is really good, because I entered really good entry, and that's why I'm chilling now, right? If I enter here, it'll be a little bit different story, but I mean, the best entry was here, definitely. Like this is the best entry, but I wasn't even there, bro. I was asleep at this time, so like I couldn't catch this. It would be great though, but I wouldn't probably enter here though. But maybe I would. I don't know. Now when I look at it, it's kind of the bottom though. Now it's just going upside. We're gonna see how this is gonna follow up. Again, this kind of looks like a bear trap, bear flag, how do you wanna call it? But again, it's not gonna interrupt anything on me because I have really good entry and I have really good things set up here. It's not necessarily gonna interrupt anything. And you can see how Sui looks in 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this not loud too? No, it's not. It's great. It's great. Okay. I love this though. Sui looks really cool here. Okay. And by the way, this is techno, not copyright, and it's fantastic. It's ecstatic, to be honest. And I think I love streaming now because it's like in my time it's like 6 a.m. Like it's 6 a.m. now, so like internet connection is the best. Nobody's using internet at like 6 a.m. 7 a.m. There is most of the people are sleeping. Some of them are maybe waking up now for work, and here I am, bro, trading here. Already like for hour or something like that. By the way, I couldn't sleep this night. It was crazy. Like I woke up around 5, even though I wanted to wake up around 6, so I can start stream in a good time. But as you can see, I woke up around 5, which is kind of crazy. What I see here is Sui testing out this, so we're gonna probably get it up. Let's see though. And again, even if this just plummets down and I don't collect this, but I collect my stop loss, I'm not gonna feel sad because I'm still at win. Yeah, I mean, I didn't get 11%, I'm gonna get 10% less. But is that the reason of greediness? Not necessarily, because I'm just using safe method, because I'm just imagining myself trading with thousands. So you gotta be safe, brother. Like, I gotta learn how to trade safely, because if I don't, and then now I'm just trading recklessly with this 10 bucks, which I could do, right? I can go with high leverages, I can go with less stop losses and whatever. But what's the point of that? Because I want to learn how to trade. You know, even if you're trading with like 3 bucks, you should like really put effort into it. Like really. That's my opinion. Let me check if stream is working fine. Yep, everything is fine. Now this looks kinda sus. Evening star pattern. Now we do have 15 minutes, so if this is gonna be around this area in 15 minutes, I might even exit. Like, not even joking. But we're gonna see though. But why would I? We're gonna see though. Because what could happen is evening star pattern. I don't know if there is any case of it happening in the past. I'm trying to find an example of exactly that body. You can see morning star pattern. You just reverse. You're just like green, red, red. Or you can even call it bearish harami. In this case, this is a bullish harami here. And if you don't know, by the way, candlesticks are like, I don't know why, but in most cases, when I do watch some traders, nobody talks about candlesticks. I mean, there's guys sometimes mentioning like in golfing and stuff like that, but nobody's like mentioning like Harami, evening, morning sub button, and those kind of things. I mean, they're not like the most important batters, but they do exist though. You know, there is Dodgy, there is what? I forgot how it's called. Wait, I do have notebook though. Wait, let me check it out. I didn't revise those things in a long time. Okay, we do have Hammer. Like, I do know that someone do mention that. We do have Tweezer top, Tweezer bottom. Nobody mentions that either. You do have Shooting Star. I mean, that's kind of reverse Hammer. Harami. I said about Harami. Evening, morning sub button. And Dodge is like, yeah, I mean, Dodge is kind of like imbalance in the market. Mostly it's like reversal kind of thing going on with Dodgy. Now it's kind of like Dodgy creating here, as you can see. And again, you have Dragonfly Dodge and Gravestone Dodgy. But that's not like mostly happening when you think about it. Like Gravestone and Dragonfly Dodgy mostly doesn't mean shit. Mostly, but it, you know, you can see how this, for example, we had this downtrend, then you have this Dodgy a little bit upside. You're just baiting out for probably people testing out this 21. Boom, huge candlestick down. You can see how it's going down now. And it's getting that. It's gonna probably fill out this whole candle now. But again, we do have really good stop loss. And I'm in upside with this stop loss. I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm gonna just leave it. I can even take risk now. I don't care, honestly. What matters is that Bitcoin is probably tracing back, because 15 minutes reached 21 and it reached that triple top on the bear flag. This is gonna dump though. This is gonna probably dump. This is like triple test here. Boom. This doesn't look good for Bitcoin. Looks like we're gonna test this zone here for Bitcoin. So I might even enter short here. I don't know. Looks kinda like... But again, if we look at the larger time frames, 4 doesn't show anything. It shows bearish engulfing. Daily doesn't necessarily say anything either. We say that we might go to this price. Weekly again doesn't show anything. Shows that we are bullish. Monthly doesn't show anything either. And now again, one is kind of saying, hey, we're gonna go to test 200 domain. I mean, okay, what I said now? I'm sorry. Excuse me, guys. It's gonna probably test 221 again. But 15 minutes looks like we did reach the top though. And that's again only if we look at 15. Now, should we believe 15 or should we believe 1 hour? In most cases, you should believe high time frames to be exact, but we're gonna see how this is gonna play out now. Again, this is really interesting here. You can see how it, it's kind of creating a, not necessarily though. But you can even say, I mean, where they had a shoulder, nah, it doesn't have the same neck size. Thought about it now. 7 minutes left here. It's gonna be really important how this 15 minutes closes for Bitcoin. We're gonna go below 21 because if we close it like this, it's gonna go downside. That's when I'm gonna probably exit and enter short immediately. Like, no joke, because I don't think it's gonna dump now. It's gonna just wait to close out this candlestick. So I'm gonna wait it out till then. So we're gonna have patience scale here, 7 minutes. Then once we get that, I might enter short immediately. Get a little bit of move on short too. Why not? But we gotta just wait it out now, I guess. Let's see how news are showing Cointelegraph. Let's see what happened in crypto. Coinbase, Crypto Lobby, urges Congress to back major. Okay. Let's bong dot flips pump fun. Okay, so that's like, oh my god, no way. So like, what's this? So like Monk is kind of carrying now Solana. This is interesting, by the way. Let's bong.fun. We should check that out, no joke. Yo, this looks so appealing to me now. This looks so like, oh my god, short position here. But it's risky because of one. I don't know. It's so there, like, it's crazy. By the way, when is the new news? In 30 minutes? Okay. Bong.fun. Okay. Oh my god. This looks amazing so far. So like what? I go here? So like this is the pump fun, but like less good looking, to be honest. I'm gonna get save this one. We're gonna wait for 4 minutes more, but I think this is gonna done though. I don't know if it's gonna raise from 21 though. Not sure. I'm not sure I wanna raise it though. Because I could risk. I could exit here and to short immediately. Get the top, get the best entry ever, and get the huge flow of the money in it. But I think this is gonna get above it though. It's fighting there, right? The reason why I think it's gonna go to upside is because yesterday was short day. I mean, I'm not saying that we can have necessarily 2 red days, but we are kind of in bullish momentum. And yesterday wasn't supposed to happen. Yesterday was just Monday manipulations. So that's why I think it's gonna go crazy today. And again, according to one, we're gonna go up, right? You can see how 4 looks like. Again, on 4, according to this, we could see downside move, right? We could see morning something happening, maybe. And daily doesn't show anything. You can see 30 minutes. It's almost 221 on 30 minutes too. So right, hush. Nah, we're not gonna see dump. Yeah, it's gonna close like this. It's gonna close like this 100% though. You gotta close like this. Or maybe it's not gonna close like this. We have 2 minutes more. And then the next close will be... Yeah, then we're gonna see 2-3 more candles and then we're gonna be done today. And I mean, I have a whole plan how to do this today though, to be honest. Once we're done with this, I'm gonna clean my room probably. Then we're gonna probably do some more checking inks, some market things later on today. But I think this is gonna be all trading. I'm gonna do this all day, probably this morning. You can see huge surge. That's it. Around the end of the closing, because you got above 21. Wait for Sui, I forgot to check it out. What's happening? Oh, Sui got above 21. Oh, huge in 30 minutes. Same with 15. It's almost that to the top here. It's almost there. It's almost there. 1 is kind of not showing anything for Sui, to be honest. 2, 3 is kind of the top. 4 is kind of looks like, hey, we're gonna go to reverse now. Looks good. Let's close like this and I'm gonna be happy, guy. Let's close like that. Bitcoin is kind of giving us good vibes on 4 too. Now with Bonk, should I stay with Bonk here? I wanna check Ethereum though. Ethereum looks like... Does this look like a cup and handle move? It does, right? Cup and handle move here, yeah. Oh my god, it's great. We're great now. I'm really happy now. No fucking joke. I mean, my voice doesn't show that, but this is it. It's moving upside, crazy. I can move this take profit even larger now. I think that we probably, if we got the bottom of the day entry, oh my god, this is gonna be the best night ever. I'm gonna just leave it whole day. Imagine that I got like the bottom now, and now I'm gonna just leave it to pump like to 3 or something like that. That'd be crazy. Imagine that, like I don't know, I leave it to pump like to this price, right, and get $4. That'd be great. I couldn't even exit now, to be honest, but I'm not gonna probably exit yet, because again, Bitcoin got above this and it's gonna now just test probably this 200 main here. So Bitcoin is gonna go more to upside. And with Sui, I mean, Sui interesting case here. Sui kinda reached the top though. That's the problem. This is the... I mean, this is not the problem, by the way. The reason why it's not the problem, not yet. You can see, we got 3% minimum. But the reason why I don't see this as a problem, I think we're gonna see just this and then boom. That's my opinion. Because it's gonna get people out. We might go for liquidation surge though. As I said, that's gonna might happen. Might happen with Bitcoin too. But we're gonna see, because it's like, it's big though. Because it is big though. Right? Or maybe I'm wrong. But I think we do need to see this liquidation surge. Maybe not today, but we're definitely gonna see it someday in the future. It's gonna be like just... Oh my god, I hate these ads on Spotify. It's like the worst thing. Maybe I should exit on $1. I mean, when I had like 12%, something like that. But it's fine. Again, I'm not risking anything, so that's why I don't need to close the trade. I'm not gonna close trade. That's why I'm not gonna close the trade, because I'm not losing anything if I do. If my stop loss is breached, I won't lose anything. And it still holds this, I think, yeah. It's gonna just dupe. He's gonna test this probably in 0.87. What? That's 875, 875, 875. This price, yeah, around this area. You can see Bitcoin now. Love doing that though. Just got above, but it's getting down on 30 minutes, 21. I mean, we're gonna see. Still, I'm not gonna. I mean, again, give me a good reason why would I exit here. I mean, I do understand this, and probably my stop loss is gonna be breached now. But why would I exit? Even though, yeah, we do kind of see rejection 30 minutes, but still we do have 25 minutes left of this candle to close. So like, this doesn't mean anything in current state of affairs, to be honest. And again, we have this 21 holding that price there. I mean, Sui lost 21 on 30, lost 21 on 15. That's kind of like, oh my god, what's happening here? But still, I don't think that's something to worry, not yet. I don't think that Sui is gonna create this candlestick, but it could though, you know. And for example, now my first thing in initiation, so how I should do this trade was the best, because I enter here, I said I'm gonna exit here with $1 and I'm gonna enter immediately short. But I anticipated we're gonna go to this side and then enter short, but you know, I don't see anything wrong with it. Even this, I don't see anything wrong even with this, to be honest. This trade here, even if my stop loss is breached now, I don't see any mistake I made. I mean, yeah, sure, I could get more money, but I'm not dissatisfied with this achievement, because I think I did great job, I would say. And again, this is maybe a short position here move, even when I got stopped, but we're gonna see though. I don't think it is though. Shaping out, because this is gonna be double bottom, if I'm right though. I mean, it's not necessarily double top. It looks like a double top. Yeah, I am pattern here. Making my systems grow, and I'm gonna get stopped right now. Into the new age. Love this song. The song is fire. And here it is. We're stopped here. You can see, but we're up though. We're up. And now it's a revolution, I suppose. If you look at this, we got below this. It looks like I'm pattern here. If this closes like this, I might enter. But I don't know if this is the best entry. I think I should wait for this surge, enter here, get a dump. I would like to check out that. But again, depends on Bitcoin. How Bitcoin closes this. And we do have 22 minutes, so I'm not gonna enter here. I'm gonna just wait it out for 22 minutes probably. So we're gonna wait 7:30, do next trade. I'm gonna take a little pause, so I'll be back like in 3 minutes, 2 minutes.
I eat my dinner in my bathtub, then I go to sex clubs, watching freaky people get it
Here I am, the boss is back. The boss is back. Okay. To be honest, I didn't expect this candle, this big red, though. Even though I said like, no way that happens. But you can see Bitcoin is not doing that. It's like it's only doing that. I don't know why though. Because I cannot follow Bitcoin, to be honest. You can see Bitcoin is not gonna dump. It's gonna just fly to upside. Now for Sui, it's gonna be fun to see what's gonna happen. But I don't think it's gonna necessarily dump, even though I said this is gonna happen, but it depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes crazy, Sui is gonna go crazy too. I mean, that's just fact. That's the only reason why I don't like trading other coins than Bitcoin, but the problem is that Bitcoin has fees, okay? And fees, I mean, on Maxi, fees are the least the problem, to be honest, because fees are not high as on Binance and Bybit or whatever, but like when you do have zero fees, it's like, oh my god, it's the best feeling ever. Like, it's the best feeling ever, no joke. Like, no fees is the best thing. I love it. And you can see the Bitcoin is gonna probably raise though. You can't get above this 21 and 30 though. You just can't. It tried, but it's not gonna probably go above it. I don't know then what's next for Bitcoin. I hope this is not gonna be small, but if we do not get above this, it's gonna be the next move probably for Bitcoin. It's gonna be this. It's gonna, I mean, that's kind of the move I can't see happening, because you're gonna collect the most liquidations. Like, most of them is gonna collect it. Majority of the liquidations will be collected then. Majority of these liquidations will be collected. So I don't know, I'm kind of going on a short position here, maybe, baby, but not yet though. Yeah, imagine at the short here. Oh, that would be great. If I just follow my first plan. The reason why I didn't follow is because I don't have nothing to lose kind of mentality is going on me. But I don't know if I should call it a loss, considering that once you have like, I don't know, huge profit and then you don't take it, but you put stop loss and then you get stopped before you can make more money. I don't necessarily take that as a L, because it isn't, right? I'm still up, so it's not L, but it's not W, you know. I mean, it is though, but you kind of play it safe, which is good if you're making huge bands with huge money and doing trades with huge money. But in this case, it's not a happy birthday. No way. No way. So, I don't understand this. I won't even say anything. By the way, I'm playing Clash Royale, like crazy amount of it for some reason. I don't know why. It's kind of fun. Because you kind of need to use your brain and shit. And it's fun, I don't know. I mean, it's not the reason why, but it's fun. Clash Royale is really fun for me. I don't know why. It became fun. I mean, it's kind of ragey, but I'm playing like, if I do have some free time, right, I'm gonna probably play Clash Royale, like, or if I need to eat some time really fast, right, before I go out or something like that, like, I'm gonna play Clash Royale, like, for real. It's like the best game ever. No joke, like, it's the best mobile game, and especially if I'm like going to school and shit, considering I'm not going now, but if I do go to school, once I did like a month ago, it's like, hey, I'm just playing Clash Royale all day, motherfucker. You don't do shit, right? I mean, I could trade, and I think I tried trading, but like trading on the phone is like the worst thing ever. Like, it's like, if there is top 3 things that I don't want to do ever, it's like trading on the phone is one of them. It gotta be. It's the worst thing ever. Trust me. Now I'm looking like my King Tower level is 12, by the way, now. And if I take 3 levels, it's gonna be like 13. It's great. Should I be like live on trading and shit like that, and just like playing Clash Royale? That would be crazy. Imagine I do that. I mean, I could, to be honest. But like mixing Clash Royale and trading at the same time is like kind of like, oh my god, thing. Should play one Clash Royale now. Nah, I won't. I gotta be there though. Trade. Even though I'm not trading now, but I gotta look at the market. But I guess we're gonna just wait it out now. Okay. 50 minutes is holding this 21. That's why I said like Bitcoin is not gonna probably dump because of that 15 minutes 21 holding it. But if you look at Sui, for example, Sui just lost every single thing. 15-30 minutes lost. Here's how Sui is doing currently. It's kind of like fighting. It reached this bottom of bear flag. So I think this is the bottom for it. I mean, I could enter now, but I don't think I'm gonna enter long though. I'm not confident enough, especially with Bitcoin looking like that. I'm not confident enough, and I don't know what this news here or this press conference is gonna take on. But I don't know if this is gonna just more hawkish. So like it's good. So it should like move to upside, I guess. I mean, this first news didn't do anything. This cash rate, to be honest. So like I don't know why I woke up, to be honest. I do know that this is gonna probably result in something. This employment change, and I know this is a Canada. Is this Canada though? Yeah, it's Canada. This is gonna probably influence the market a little bit more, especially unemployment claims. Probably. I mean, and GDP should influence it maybe too on Friday. So like Friday is gonna be a big day for trades. I don't know if I'm gonna be live on Friday, considering that Friday is published day. So like I'm gonna publish a video 100% on Friday, but I'm gonna definitely trade on Friday, like, and Thursday too, and Wednesday too. I mean, Wednesday, I'm not gonna definitely wake up for this. Like, definitely I'm not doing New Zealand live. Like 100% I'm not. Like 4 AM, no shit. But I might be live for this though on Wednesday. Oh fuck, and I can't be. No. This kind of sucks though. This is gonna be really great trading day, considering we have this Federal Reserve meeting, to be honest, because this is gonna result in huge move for market. So like this is a great day to trade. I mean Wednesday, necessarily this 8 PM time, but I can't do it. I'm not gonna be home probably. I mean not probably. I'm not gonna be home 100%. So like fuck. I mean I can follow it up. Probably I'm gonna if I don't forget. I will probably follow up the market, but I'm not gonna be in trade. I don't think so, because I'm not gonna be home, and I'm gonna probably buying stuff at that time. So yeah, but I'm gonna definitely do trading on Thursday and Friday. And for this day, I mean, I did the trades now. Like I don't need to do any trade anymore. And you can see that's the bottom here. Bitcoin is going up. Okay, it's kind of fighting still this 21. It's really interesting. Is this ad or no? This is real shit. Okay. I mean, I like this techno, considering it's a free and it's not like the most NPC, no copyright music. I mean, it's kind of good. You can see it's following this uptrend. And now you can even say that we're kind of creating and so this, right? Yeah, like, easy. So if I enter now, put stop loss here, put exit here. No, wait, I'll put exit. Yeah, I mean 200 works though. Let's say if we do this trade, how much money would we get? Wait. So let's say I do enter here, put stop loss 28257. Okay, we're not losing much, but we're gonna gain crazy amount. Right? Is that the price? Yeah, it is. I mean, this is kind of like looking really good. This price, to be honest, this trade looks really good on paper, but it depends on how Bitcoin is gonna play out this. And Bitcoin looks bearish, so like I don't know. For example, like Bitcoin looks pretty bad, to be honest. Bitcoin looks like it's gonna dump crazy. That's why I wouldn't enter here. But like if SUI is like individual coin, to be honest, so like there is no influence on Bitcoin or anything other, like I would immediately enter here. This is the beautiful sign. Beautiful. But I think like Bitcoin is gonna dump, is gonna influence this, and it's gonna result on bear flag playing out. And not this playing out, unfortunately. Even entering short now is not that bad decision, but I'm not though. It's kind of risky to enter now short. We're gonna see what's gonna happen in this next 10 minutes. It's gonna be huge though. I might enter again, but it depends on how this plays out though. I think I'm like eaten by motherfucking bugs everywhere now. Not bugs, by mosquitoes, like I hate them. I have like 2 or 3 bites on me. New ones, I think. It's crazy though. It's pretty hot. Imagine enter long here, it'd be great. No, I'm joking. But again, I'm saying the SUI looks really good. I'm not gonna enter here because again Bitcoin looks kind of bad, but you can see how Bitcoin looks now. It looks better. But still there's so much things for Bitcoin to overcome. And I don't think it still overcame this 21. So like we need to wait. We need to wait another 10 minutes. And that could result in a bad entry for SUI, but we're kind of going to safe mode now. I mean, it's not bad entry. For SUI, even this entry is not bad. If this plays out, right? It's not going to be bad because it's going to go to the upside. It's not going to be bad, but yeah, you're kind of losing profit, to be honest. But you're kind of like going safe mode because this ascending triangle might not even play out. It's like not 100%. And it might not even go upside. Even though there is 60% chance it's gonna go to upside for ascending triangles, but it's not 100%. So it could go to downside too. Yo, this Khabib guy is like crazy. Why do I kind of have baddies on my instrument, to be honest? And kids, for some reason, like my real, I don't know how it's called, like real home, when there's like reels and then you have this homepage, it's like either girls or like UFC. Like there's nothing else. And for some reason, I don't know why, but like I never look at the girls. Like I never like those shit like that, because I don't want that getting out in my reels and shit. But still I get those. Maybe they know something like that I don't. I don't know. Maybe they think that I'm a Goonie master or something like that. But I'm not. I'm not gooning or anything. For quite some time. Forgot though. You can see how it just got above, yeah. But still there is a huge mark here to overcome, even on 1. Right, so that's why I'm not entering. Considering Bitcoin. Because for SUI to go and play out this ascending triangle, Bitcoin needs to go up too, right? But Bitcoin has so much to overcome. It needs so much surge to go upside, it's just like crazy. Which it's not necessarily impossible, but it's like low chance and it's too risky to go and trade on that. Just too risky in my opinion. And I mean, again, I could be wrong, but that's just my opinion. I'm kind of sleepy, to be honest. I mean, by the way, I'm like awake now for 3 hours almost. Woke up at 5 a.m. I'm crazy, bro. But I did kind of like go to sleep around 9 p.m. even though I fall asleep probably like 10, 11, and then I like woke up around 1:20, and then like I didn't sleep at all, to be honest. But yeah, now we have a lot of work to do, a lot of work to cover up. It's just the beginning of the day, and I don't know which song should I listen to while I clean the room. Should I listen to podcast? What do you think, guys? I don't know. Kind of like think about it now. Should I listen to audiobook? Should I listen to music? I think the music is top though. think the music is dub. Even though, yeah, I should probably listen to some audiobook or podcast, but like, I don't think it's gonna work out really good. I'm not sure though. Oh, this is gonna sound crazy. Oh, I feel it in my bones now. I don't know if this is a real feeling, but considering that Bitcoin is nearing that top in 1 hour. I mean, one is not gonna close yet though. That could be the problem though, but I feel like it once we close this candle is gonna I saw it. I saw those things happen. So I guess that's why I feel that way. So if I enter that, it won't be a mistake though. In this case, but it was risky though. And again, yeah, you should risk in trading, but I did risk last time, and there is no need for me to risk again, right? So current PNL that we have for this day is plus. You can see this is the plus. And by the way, I had plus day on Thursday too. Then I didn't trade for 2 days. The Sunday was a minus. On Thursday I think I lost like 2-3 trades and then I won one, and I don't remember what happened Sunday. Oh, I do remember though. Yeah, I just had some trade on like 4 hours I think, and I lost, to be honest. I mean, I can show it now. Wait. No, I won't. Okay. I mean, I have documentation of that, but I'm not gonna show that yet to stream. I want to show that like one day, once I get like enough things on that. You're gonna see like I don't have necessarily a journal, but I do have like picks in my opinions on how I see the market in current state of affair. And then if I'm right or wrong, it depends. And then you have like literally like kind of evidence on OneNote. I use OneNote for that, so it's great. And you can see how long position looks like now on the center triangle. It's still good position. It's like 3x still. Bro, I love Eletopuri so much. I don't know. The best MMA fighter. And now this is random, I know. But like I saw it in real though. Yeah, I'm kind of like on the phone a little bit looking at the chart, a little bit talking to you guys. I mean, I'm kind of doing all these things now. But my plan is now to, as I said, we're gonna do this shit. I'm gonna clean my room, right? After this, I don't know if I'm gonna publish anything today. I don't think so. Considering we did live today, that's enough content for today. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut out this live, to be honest, like into smaller parts, publish something tomorrow, or like explaining how I do the trades and whatever. Or I'm gonna just do nothing tomorrow. Or I'm gonna have time to do altcoin analysis. I hope I'm gonna have time, but it depends. It depends when I wake up tomorrow. And yeah, all depends on that, to be honest, when I wake up tomorrow. It depends when I wake up. If I do wake up earlier and I do have time for gym, reading the book and doing the content, doing the Photoshop, doing the editing, because it's gonna take like 2-3 hours and I'm not sure when I'm gonna wake up. If I wake up around 5 a.m, sure, but I'm not gonna wake up 5 a.m. though. I'm gonna wake up probably 7-8. I'm gonna go to gym and do the stuff. Okay, now press conference is almost there. I don't know what's gonna provoke that. I hope it's gonna dump though, for some reason. Because I see this happening, I don't know. Like, if I envision this shot, I see this red candle after this green. For some reason. I think I have PTSD probably. Because it did kind of had those trades in the past though. I should do New York time zone sometimes. Maybe I should. But again, I'm not gonna sleep good then. I mean, Australia time zone, for example, like this is perfect. Like, I wake up around 5 a.m, 6. I do the trades. And like, I finish the trading around 7-8. I can go to gym and stuff like that. But like, I don't know. We're gonna see though. I mean, that's possible if I'm not going out that night before. Then it's possible, but considering me, that's not possible. Considering like I'm almost every single night out, but I wasn't last night because of this, because I wanted to do this, and this night I won't go out because of my mom's birthday. And tomorrow I'm not gonna go out either, I think, because I'm gonna be out whole day and I'm gonna be exhausted. But I'm not gonna still wake up on Thursday like 5 a.m. to do this stuff. 100%. And by the way, I didn't say that, but I'm gonna say it now. I'm gonna start working like from 15 July, I think. So like yeah, literally next week. Next week is gonna be my first working day. So I'm gonna start working, and I don't know how the content is gonna be done at that time. I hope it's gonna be flying though, because if it don't, like I don't know, it's gonna be tough with time schedule and everything, that's for sure. I know that it's gonna be tough with time schedule, but I'm gonna try to find a way to work it out. I guess I will try to find a way. I don't know if this kind of things is gonna happen though at that time, because I won't have much time. But I mean, kind of day trading live is like easy things, because you just go trade, talk shit for like 2 hours and it's done, right? But like doing vids depends. Sometimes it's gonna take a lot of time to do a vid, to be honest. Like the last time I did this trend video, you know, it took me like, I think 3 hours or 4. And it's not just edit, it just like thumbnail took me a lot. Sometimes thumbnail took a lot, sometimes editing, it depends. And by the way, I'm quiet because I'm posting now in front of my mirror. I don't have mirror, but like, it's down a mirror with my body. You know, and I gotta train too. But I think I'm gonna train after I clean my room. I mean, I can train now, but like, what the time? I'm gonna clean my room. I'm gonna probably train. Then I'm gonna maybe shower. I don't know. I'm not gonna wash my hair today. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow because I'm gonna be out of the house tomorrow. So yeah. I said this is gonna happen. If this truly happens and I didn't follow it out and I had this gut feeling, that means that I'm like, I reached that level of training that like I'm God. Okay, this press conference happened and nothing happened. No stories. You can see the dump. I said it. It's gonna dump. I don't know, I have feeling. But now if it just pops upside, it's gonna be like the first prediction is gonna be like Minnesota, definitely. If it just pumps back up, it's gonna be Minnesota. Minnesota for me. Definitely. But you can see, I guess we're not gonna see dump yet, because 1 hour needs to close, so like it's gonna be half an hour of like here and there, and then Bitcoin is gonna dump. And I don't know for sure what's gonna happen. I hope this ascending triangle will play out though. And I mean, we're gonna see. I don't know. We're not gonna see on this live, but I'm gonna probably publish it on Twitter if this plays out though. And if I do enter, maybe I'm gonna enter here. And if I do enter, I'm gonna publish on Twitter if something happens. But I don't think I'm gonna play it this trade, considering. Plus, it's gonna be like this ascending triangle is gonna play out what in like, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like it's gonna play out in hour and a half, and I don't think I'll be there in hour and a half, to be honest. On the market, I mean. I'm gonna probably clean the room at that time. So like that's why I might not enter, but I'm gonna definitely publish something on Twitter if it plays out, so you're gonna know if something happens there. And now we're gonna finish live really soon, because to be honest, I'm getting tired, but it depends. Wait, I'll be back in a second. Just check it out if we're gonna end live yet. I'm gonna be alive for like another 10 minutes, I guess. Then I'll finish and go cleaning room, to be honest. So like, I'll immediately go work. Like from the moment this live finishes, like I'm just switching off to real life problems, I would say. So yeah, let's call it that way, to be honest. And then I'm gonna train a little bit later. To be honest, you don't guys know how I look, but I think I look really good, to be honest. Like my body's now like almost at the peak. But it is a peak of my life, to be honest, how I look currently. Like that's probably the move, to be honest. And again, I think that like you're gonna see crazy moves from me, and this summer camp that I plan to do, I don't know if I teased that on Twitter. I think I did, and if I didn't, I'm teasing it now. So I'm kind of revealing my plan for future now. It's gonna be like mid-August, and I'm gonna publish first summer camp with. It's gonna be like 45 minutes, 1 hour videos of lessons talking about like all this important stuff that I kind of talk about now, but it's gonna be like hyped. It's gonna be a huge thing. You're gonna see it's gonna be fun. Trust me. It's gonna be really fun. Lessons presented and everything. I don't know how I'm gonna do it correctly. I don't know if I'm gonna be like B-roll kind of thing, or it's gonna be like animated thing, or it's gonna be like no editing. I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna make it though, because I want to make it like really useful for audience, of course, of crypto and everything. But I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna make it though. I'm still not sure on that front though. But I promise it's gonna be really fun. I promise that. It's definitely gonna help you too. But till then we do. I don't think I have huge project till then. I do not have some huge idea. But there is gonna be fun ways though. You're gonna see. And about live, I don't know when I'm gonna do next live. Maybe I'm gonna do it some this weekend. But it depends if I go out, I won't do. And what I mean if I go out throughout the day somewhere, like I don't know, some pool or something, considering it's summer. But I don't know how hot this weekend is gonna be though. This weekend is gonna be probably hot though. Yeah, I mean it's not necessarily for the pool, but I'm gonna probably go though. And I do have birthday on Friday and Saturday though. But it's fine. I guess I'll be there till this 15 minutes closes, so like for 7 minutes more, and then we're gonna end the stream. You see how it's playing out? It's gonna be fun to see how this is gonna play out at the end. I think when I said red candle, I mean I said this kind of big candle, but now I can see this happening like this, and then we see some huge move. But we're gonna see how this is gonna play out. And by the way, according to my weathercast, we're gonna have huge rain tomorrow and Thursday, which means either that I'm not gonna go out at night. I mean on Thursday. What's happening on Thursday? Wait. I kinda hate rain. Yeah, I hate raining. Wait, so like my work day 15 July is gonna be Tuesday. Oh my god, okay. And since then, like, it's gonna be hell. And then you can expect 22nd August is gonna be the best day ever, trust me. And I'll be going like the summer with boys, like around this area. So like I won't be home for 10 days. So I'll be back home like something like that. And I'm gonna do probably immediately live, no joke. It's gonna be immediately live, and considering that summer camp is gonna be published in 3 weeks, probably something like this, I'll be live like 30 August, and then it's gonna be analysis on Monday, Wednesday, altcoin analysis. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, definitely. This is gonna be summer camp, nothing here, summer camp, live, analysis, and here it starts the torture starts, school starts here. And I hope on 6th September I'm gonna go to UFC event in Paris. That's gonna be like my dream came true if that happens. Definitely. So like, yeah, and then September starts. Like, oh my god, this is crazy. We're that close to September. No way. Like, I barely got out of the school now, and it's already there. And you didn't see anything on the calendar. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm kind of hiding that. I don't know, for some reason I put the small guy of me there. This resembles my brand, to be honest. Yeah, but what matters is, hallelujah. Great things has yet to come, brothers. You can see how our side looks like. It's the same here. Oh, it's gonna reverse from this point. So, I mean, it looks like that. But it might not. Let's see that. We did check 3 times, but I think we're gonna see upside more. But even though I said it's gonna be big red candle, again it depends on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is kind of creating that big red candle, to be honest. It's getting Twitter top vibes here. Twitter top vibes from Bitcoin here. No, this is crazy. Wait, so like, own stakes? So I guess this is it, right? We're gonna be here for 4 more minutes. We're gonna see how these 15 minutes candlesticks are gonna close, and I guess that's it from this live. I mean, I was live hour and a half. I would call that a win, in my opinion. So yeah, double move here, definitely. I should maybe create some other scene too, considering that I have this scene and I have stream starting soon scene. Maybe I'm gonna create another scene, but that's only if I start streaming like really often, considering that it's the first time I'm gonna be live, and I don't think I'm gonna be live soon. Maybe, just maybe this weekend, but I'm not sure though. I mean, I'm gonna definitely say something on Twitter if I do. If I do plan to be live, but for now I can't say for certain though. Was something new maybe came out here? Nothing. Up. Nada. You can see how it's going up. Yeah, this ascending triangle, so it's gonna probably play out. It just looks so good to me. But to be honest, I don't know. It depends on Bitcoin again. But I love the seeing of this ascending triangle here. Oh, it's so hot, by the way. Already it's hot. Like it's not even 18. It's hot in my room. I mean, outside it's hot. Okay, I love this techno, by the way. Come on, do something. Okay, so he's pumping. Love that. And by the way, when you hear me like a little bit quieter, it's because I'm like up from my chair and shit. Yeah, and again, I can be loud, even though I'm loud a little bit now because my mom is awake and shit, but my dad is sleeping, my sister is sleeping, like my whole house is sleeping. And I wish I'm not living with my whole fucking family, but hey, like, it's gonna change really soon. Let's see what's happening in the poly market. So like Fed decision, is Fed decision when happening? July 30? Okay, I need to be there, definitely. July. That's gonna be definitely the time when I'm gonna be live. Doing the live J trading too. Oh, is this the top? Oh, it's getting above it. I mean, doubly move for Bitcoin. Okay, that's it. I said it. When this candlestick opens, Bitcoin looks really good. You just got above this on 15 minutes. Bitcoin is gonna just go pump probably. Same with SU. So it's gonna get rejected soon though, probably. Boom. It's gonna probably do something like this, top, and then just go pop off crazy upside. But again, I'm kind of worried about this liquidation, so we're gonna see how this is gonna play out everything. So yeah, that's it guys, I guess. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one, I guess. Wait, yeah, I think this is it from me for today. Thank you for watching, and brothers and sisters, see you in the next one. Till then, hallelujah, brothers. God bless you all.